track.
Yo.
MC that could tell no. It's on the Baptist. Me.
Going out to the hardcore hip hop. Going out to the hardcore hip hop. Of course we don't flip flop.
Yo. Feeling undiscovered, what do you get when you brush it off? Choose your pearl, jump off, what's beef, the carnicata. Do show so blue and awful, need the love, life is definitely tough. But I'm a diamond in the rough, heaven so divine in my scope. But when I look at it, the London blow took off with that. Stuck on stupid, very ruthless, but I maintained through it. The last one left to do it. Abductions happening so rapidly, just picked off like that. Left in the dust, I said, brush off the rusted. Can be the treasure, the hunters have the fun. Try to make sense of my trial, it's scattered like my style. I'm flattered in deflation, no more complicated rhymes. Someone get me out this box. You a sly fox who will trot on this earth with the coldest of slants. Music to my ears, just hear you pant. Let's get those clothes off and see the models of perfection sweating. Ghost of poltergeist, oh that was so tight. In the raw, you catching my goal. And so thankful for you, I have no words, I'm speechless. Wait, fuck that, you deserve more vocabulary. Can give, I get the shivers, the chin and chinito. Oh my god, my mamacita. Direct me soon to this light shining through the prism and lit up my darkness in your presence. As it smelled like a snow cone in Phoenix. Word. I'm a different brand, like Levi, a little cut above your claw. So let's mosh shit in the pit. I'm having a fit because it's exquisite. Let's do it not extinguish this fire. I'm a wall climber, quit your snot bubble, you a slimer. I'm so against myself, one word, it sounds absurd, but I just left your asses and stand firm, slaying the fastest as I dash in purple Nike Air Force One to yours truly, up in the T. Pause so far in the club, a fly birdie, crashed the cush man and got kinda kicked off the greens. Had to leave the scene quick fast, and I mean in a hurry for surely I maintain no. This that flow, the karate chop in your dojo. You fly like so, and you patrol like Popo in the block. I'm timing the tick, go to the clock. I'm shocked, cause it's been a while since I laid this kind of shit down like the tile. Domino, style like chessboard, watch for my chess pieces and my many maneuvers, yelling checkmate.
You know, everybody knows what this one is.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I didn't go with the numbers
Yo.
and shit. Trying to find the agreement.
4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Go ahead, this the heaven's gate. I tell the media, behind it there's something more. I'm trying to veil it, I seen it with my own eyes. Shit man, it's the one of a kind, out of this world. I call it the pearl, cause it light up the night. Holy grail, I just sail in my spaceship. Think back on it, I never forget it. It was like yesterday, playing in my head. I pray for the dead ones, but I shoo it away. Cause the darkness is a very true ghost. When I try to shed light, don't mind it. But I'm being the pushover always, and that's the truth man. I'm trying to tell it, gets loud for your eyes and ears. That's not nice, trying to brush my feet on the welcome mat. I sat, carried it on my back. Because standing up to levels you, what do? Ask for advice, it gets fresh for the kind of cider. Do I keep stepping in the nada? I'm a goner. Got more to ponder, my ponder through my thunder. Article shock through your slickers. My kitchen to the cosmos, it's right to your flicker. Read the ticker, it says the demo. I'm hoping the cleanup team is coming soon. So thinking I'll get to that later. Cause my destination's out this planetary. Soon I'm walking and feeling the dough. So Milky, get out the way though. Cause my star twinkle in the twilight. For my eyesight, we call it tight. So much so it's the drunk. Get upon the pop shit. We so gone up out of here, son. Now we having fun. Trying to beat, it's like more than a treat. Bust down the walls. Is it cold above it all? A gift and a curse. This I know can take a toll on your soul. When you're posting on a pole. As I unfold this, the populist verbal son of the temple tablet. I getting so inspired by it. It can barrage you. Side swipe, try not to get clipped in the set. Just seeing if you give me the go ahead. I'm dashing so fast past your eyes. I'm gonna be like, check that. Sit back and listen to the teaching. That's kinda reaching for the sky, Woody. But we'll see where it goes. Sometimes I'm modest, cause I'd rather see someone else excel, son. His precious a ton, like an elephant. Eloquent, my message for the vocabulary. What more can I say? In the incubus, so proud to be a part of it. Can't even look no more shit. I turn my head, I smile. My still marble now, grapple with the gobbledygook. I take the black and hold on the track. So I'm more in check, trying to get on the map. Man was so parallel to my vertical. What's up, third eye cop busting these poltergeists in the proton pack. It's blazes, oh my god, I must be lit. Now I'm so strong, Jay, I'm in the enclave, still staying brave. A little off the top of the knot. I'm not trying to be every bed in the cotton part in the system. Now I'm looking to see it, it gives me shivers.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Check me out on SoundCloud, man. All my songs are on there and shit. Like 48. I got more than that though. So I gotta find other ones.